As the protege to the famous Fred Fixler, who worked directly under the legendary Frank Riley, Mark Westermo has unrivaled knowledge of the Riley method for drawing the head. His artistic prominence gave way to an illustrious career in Hollywood movie poster design. He later founded Associates in Art in Southern California, a top school for illustrators from which many alumni became the who's who in the fields of figurative art. In this series, Mark introduces you to the Riley method, a way of understanding the structure of the head through the use of rhythms to help project accurate proportions of your subject from any angle. In this first lesson, Mark's precise knowledge and nomenclature of the elements that make up the head will give you a foundational understanding of its anatomy, preparing you to learn the Riley method later in this series.
We're going to be covering different approaches to head drawing, all of them relying as a core on the structure of the head and the artistic anatomy of the head. In this case, employing Frank Riley and his abstraction of the head, which he developed at the Art Students League in the 30s, 40s. He was my teacher's teacher, and I hope it benefits you as it benefited me.